Cooking quail eggs doesn't have to be a difficult thing, and I'm going to show you how easy it really is. So get your pan on the stove and get your water boiling. Once it's a boiling point, just place your quail eggs in there, and you need to set the timer as you put them in for 2 minutes and 20 seconds exactly. And you get the odd one that might crack and float to the top, but that's okay. And as soon as that timer goes off, you want to have your bowl of iced cold water ready for the quail eggs to go in. If you have ice available, stick that in the water as well, because you want to cool them down really quickly, because they're going to keep cooking. And there's that little dodgy floater that we had earlier. We can still eat it if you like. Anyway, crack the egg once they're cool. Just make sure that they're really cool before you start peeling them. And as you peel them, just be gentle, because they're delicate little chaps, and you want to get the membrane as you peel the egg, and I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, just keep peeling the egg, and if it comes away all in one go, great. Sometimes it doesn't, and it comes away in little bits, and it can be frustrating, but keep going. But there's that membrane. There's that membrane I was talking about. That's what the shell sticks to. So if you can get the membrane off, the shell should come off. But sometimes, as you'll see in a minute, the shell sticks to the egg, so when you peel it away, part of the egg comes. That's why you've got to be delicate, and I was too quick to peel that end bit off, and as you can see, the top has no hat. Anyway, I store my eggs in water just to keep their shape, and there you can see from our 12 eggs that some are missing bits, but that's okay, they still taste great. And I found it teaches me patience peeling eggs. I don't know about you, but there you go. Soft boil quail's egg coming up. There it is. Delicious, absolutely delicious. And you're going to need a few of them to fill you up. But we use them on our salads and all sorts of things. And my son just eats them for breakfast because he loves them so much. There's that little fella that lost his hat. And there you go, there's our soft boiled quail's egg.